Is your Linksys mesh router blinking red right now? Don't panic. A blinking red light usually means your node lost connection to the internet or to the parent router. The good news? Most of the time, this is easy to fix. Let's begin. If the parent or the main router is blinking red, it usually means there's no internet connection. This could be caused by a loose Ethernet cable, modem issue, or an internet outage from your internet service provider. If a child node is blinking red, it usually means the node lost connection to the parent router. First, check the Ethernet cable connecting your modem to the internet port of your Linksys router. Make sure the cable is securely connected on both ends and isn't loose or damaged. A loose cable can prevent the router from getting an internet connection, which may cause the blinking red light. If the cable connection looks good, the next step is to restart your modem. Unplug the modem's power cable and wait for about 2 minutes. This helps clear temporary connection issues between your modem and your internet service provider. Then plug the modem back in and wait for all the modem lights to stabilize. Depending on your modem model, this may take a few minutes. Once the modem is fully online, confirm that the internet is working by connecting a computer directly to the modem using an Ethernet cable. Try opening a website to check if you can access the internet. If there's still no internet connection directly from the modem, you'll need to contact your internet service provider. But if the internet works directly from the modem, proceed with the next step. Next, restart your Linksys router and mesh nodes. Unplug the parent router and all child nodes for about 30 seconds. Then power on the parent router first. Once the parent router is fully online, power on the child nodes. Give the mesh system a few minutes to fully reconnect. The LED light should eventually turn solid once the connection is restored. If only the child node is blinking red, try moving it closer to the parent router. Walls, distance, and interference from other electronics can weaken the signal between mesh nodes. After moving it closer, unplug the child node, then plug it back in to power it on again. If the child node still won't connect, try resetting and reconfiguring the node. Check the description below for helpful setup and troubleshooting links. We hope this helped restore your Linksys mesh connection. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the Linksys YouTube channel for more troubleshooting tips and networking guides.